So, hello, my name is Robert Lindsay, and talking about Kanopy today. Kanopy is a streaming service, has licenses for multiple viewers. So it can be used in class with student organizations, watch parties on the web. You can put them in Canvas, or even any individuals with Pitt State credentials. There's no worries about licensing fees or anything like that. And the focus with this Kanopy is it's not entertainment, but it's academic. Now, there's about 27,000 movies that are mediated. So somebody would have to request one, and then we would approve that. There's over 3,000 movies available for the instant viewing. And they're not really free. However, you get 3 free views, and a view is 30 seconds. So anything over 30 seconds is counted as a view. So this is what you'll see if you're off campus. I'll come right in here to this. This is where you log in to authenticate that you are a Pitt State person. Now, there is a login over here in the top right, and you can log into there if you have a Kanopy account, okay? So you can create a Kanopy account after you have logged in to Pitt State. I think if you're on campus, it'll take you directly to this, or if you're off campus and you do the campus login, it takes you to this page. Now, up here in the top right, to sign up if you want a Kanopy account. Once again, you do not have to do that. I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you some of the things that are available with this login. Okay, so here I am. I can go to my dashboard, and they have recommended videos. I haven't really watched enough for them to recommend things to me, I don't think, but you can create a watch list. So here are things that I say, hey, I want to watch these at some point. Viewing history. So here are the different things that I have watched at least a little bit of. Playlists. This is if you want to, you can create a playlist, things that play one right after another. But this is where you would go to create a clip. So if you want to put some short clips of films into Canvas, this is where you would do that, is in playlists. And my memberships is, say I have a Pitt State membership. I'm also taking classes at Princeton, and Princeton has an account. And so maybe Princeton has other movies available that Pitt State doesn't, or vice versa. And so I could switch my memberships to see what's available at the different places. So I'm going to go up to the browse, and you can look here. There's all different kinds of things to look at. So if I go to Classic Cinema, there are 2 movies right here that are instantly available. So I can just click on it, start playing, and go. But scrolling down a little bit, there are 913 videos that I can request. So if I want one of these, I click on the title of the film. And since I'm logged in, it filled in my name and email. If you're not logged in, they won't be filled in, but you can still request. This will not stop you from requesting a film if you are not logged in. So you fill this out. Now, course number, if it's a student group, just put the name of the group here. As you can see, they have something called faculty training. So whatever, something that kind of tells us what this is or who's going to be using this. And then your role, and then what will this be used for? Now, this is a good place to put information in. I'm going to use this every semester. I don't need this until September 15th. So if you put that kind of information in here, that kind of helps smooth out the process. I don't have to contact you and all of that. So feel free to put whatever information you can into this field right here. All right, so I'm going to go back to my watch list here and pick a movie. So when you're on a movie page that has been approved, this is what you'll see. You can look at more information here. And if you want more things along in the same line, you can click on one of these and look at more movies that are classified the same there. Also gives you the year. But up here, you can put it into your list if you have an account. You can share it. Anybody can do that. You don't have to have an account. I'll come back to that in a minute. More, you can look at a transcript. And once I hit play, then the transcript will load. I can cite the film. There's APA, MLA in Chicago. I don't think anybody here uses Harvard. So this is all available. But back under sharing, I can copy this link, and if I paste it into Canvas or an email, it will open in a new window to this page right here. So the person would have to authenticate. Up here, it'll say something like, you need to be a member to watch or something, and so you have to authenticate. Just put in your ID and your password. You can also embed, and what that means is it will show the video within Canvas. So now I'm in Canvas, and I want to create an assignment. So here's all of the information. Now, if I want to embed the video in Canvas, they have a little cloud symbol looking thing right here. And you click that and you paste that embed code. And then the video is there in the assignment. All right, so here it is. So if I click play, it'll start playing right here within Canvas. And I can do the full screen
on the horizon,
things like that. Once again, if I just share the link, then you can put that in Canvas. When they click it, it will open in a new window or a new tab, depending on how they're set up. You can share the link on, of course, these different social media things, but once again, whoever receives it would have to have a Kanopy access. So they have to be a Pitt State student or their own local school or whatever. Now, if you want to create a small clip of a film and put that into Canvas, you click Create Clip. Now for this, you do have to have a Kanopy account because it's going to want you to put it into a playlist. So I could create a new playlist here, or I could edit a playlist that I already have. I could add video. I'm just going to edit because I already have this one in this playlist. And then for each film, I can edit it. And I can say how much do I want them to watch, or what section do I want them to watch? So in this case, I've got like 8 seconds here. You can either enter a time, or you just let it play and then you hit capture when you get to this place you want to start, and capture the place you want to stop. If you want multiple clips from the same film, you hit duplicate. And on the second one here, I'm going to edit. And then I'm going to change the time that I want to watch here. Save that clip. What'll happen then is they play in sequence when I put this into Canvas. So I'm going to save my changes. And then this is where you have to share your clips. Even if you only have one clip, you have to be looking at my playlists in order to get your link. Now, another thing, once you paste this link into Canvas, you can make changes into this playlist, and the changes will change on the link in Canvas. You got to put it in as a link. All right, so now when I click that, it opens in a new window.
I was playing baseball, and I was probably 6 years old.
So it went from that clip going automatically to
over
the
the
second
line.
clip,
And I became a librarian to find out
which
what
is still the
was
same
over
guy
line.
talking because I didn't move.
My
forward.
earliest memory.
And then this is the third clip that I have.
On top
There it is.
of the original columns from the World Trade Center Tower. You're a part of all of that history. So this is, I think,
So when you do clips, you could do individual clips of just one. Each one would have to be its own playlist. Or you can stick a bunch and they'll just play one right after the other.